Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing La Roche-Posay HYALU B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? I actually got a request from one of my viewer and she wanted me to break down all the different serums from La Roche-Posay, and I was like, okay, cool, let's get into it. So I'm going to be dedicating each and every video for different serums from the La Roche-Posay. So make sure that you are updated with my channel. As been said that this is going to be La Roche-Posay series, the serums, and I'm going to be breaking down all the ingredients from this particular brand. So I'm going to be very honest about La Roche-Posay company. It's a French company, yeah? And French people are very unapologetic about adding perfumes into their skincare formulation, which is not falling into the criteria of the FDA, that is Food Drug Research Association from US, and they really don't appreciate fragrance into the skincare routine. And also, even like all around the world, it is known that fragrance is one of the causative agent of allergy. It's an allergen. It can cause redness in some people and also contact dermatitis if you use it for a longer duration of time. I always get a lot of questions from my viewers saying that, is it good, is it bad, and is hyaluronic acid excellent for dry skin type? It's a yes and a no at the same time, because hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant and it does draw out water from your skin as well, leading to more dryness. Before I dive into the ingredient list, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos and also vlogs and art videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button, subscribe button, and also bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. And also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. This helps me as a YouTuber as well as an influencer to grow and to reach out to different people so that I can explain them how does the skincare formulation work. And also in the description below, I have mentioned all the links and where you can see and purchase this product. And also I have mentioned a link of a donation where I am raising a donation for the shelter animals so that I can give them money for their food, for their better lifestyle, and also to have a proper veterinarian for their use. So if you can be kind enough to donate some money, that would be a great help. All right, let's get into the ingredient list now. So the first ingredient here is water. Following to that is glycerin. Now glycerin itself is a humectant and it helps as a moisturizing agent as well as it draws out water from the surrounding and helps it to penetrate into the skin. The third ingredient, which is more dominant here, is alcohol, denatured alcohol. I don't like denatured alcohol in the skincare formulations, especially if you're designing a skincare formulation for dry skin type. Well, alcohol itself is a very good solvent. It holds all the ingredients, it helps it to blend together. It actually is like a binding agent. It is bringing all the different like viscous kind of liquids together to form a nice liquidy consistency. But when you apply denatured alcohol on the dry skin, what happens? The alcohol sits on the top layer of the skin, and when it evaporates, usually alcohol evaporates, yeah, it vaporizes. So it takes the water molecules also with it, and that leads to more dryness. So it's not a good choice if you have a dry skin and adding denatured alcohol into the skincare formulation. Then there is propylene glycol, which is again a humectant. So there is more humectants in this formulation. And then there is panthenol, which is a carrier agent. It acts as a vehicle to penetration of the different active ingredients. And then there is pentylene glycol, another form of humectant, again holding the water, helping to be a texture enhancer. So till now the formulation is good. Then there is dimethicone. Now dimethicone is a silicone based ingredient. It helps to make a layer on the top layer of your skin so that the water as well as different ingredients sits on the skin well and helps to do its job on the top layer of your skin. Then there is capric triglyceride. It acts as an emollient. It is derived from coconut oil as well as glycerin. It is like helping to make a shield, helping with the moisturizing ability and helping to retain that moisture into the skin. Then there is methocassoside, which is also known as gotukola centella asiatica, a very popular ingredient in Korean skincare formulations. It helps with the moisturizing of the skin, helps with the softening effect, and also helps with improving the skin texture to have that nice glowy effect. The next ingredient here is sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate is also known as hyaluronic acid. There are different forms of sodium hyaluronate, actually, or also hyaluronic acid itself. Sodium hyaluronate is the most powerful form of hyaluronic acid. So what does it do? One molecule of sodium hyaluronate can hold up to 6 to 7 times more of water. So it's a very powerful water magnet. And it helps with the, increasing the moisturizing benefits into the skin. But it also has its own drawback. As I mentioned before, the sodium hyaluronate, if it doesn't get enough water from the surrounding, it starts to take out water from the deep layer of your skin. In this case, what happens? Your skin becomes more dry. And that's why hyaluronic acid is not a very favorable ingredient for the dry skin type, because it's like a plus and minus whenever you apply. But the concentration is very low, so it's right amount to be applied on the skin. The next ingredient is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. This is again a form of hyaluronic acid, but the molecular weight, the molecular size is different as compared to sodium hyaluronate. But they both are doing the same job. They are acting as a humectant. In this whole formulation, there is numerous humectant. Then there is denatured alcohol. And in the end, I did see that there is fragrance, perfume added into it. My opinion, it's like a chaos because it is just inviting more dryness into your skin. Humectants are holding water, but if they don't get water, they will draw out water from the layers of your skin. But the denatured alcohol is drying out the top layer. So where will the water come from? It will come from the deep layers of your skin. Then the perfume. When there is more dryness, the perfume sitting on the skin can easily cause any sort of allergy or redness on the skin. So I don't see the point. Why would they make this formulation for dry skin type when it is not well formulated in my perspective? I did not like the formulation at all. This is just a chaos. They did add tocopherol into their formulation, which is vitamin E. It acts as an antioxidant. It's a powerful antioxidant after vitamin C. So it is doing a very good job in removing the free radicals with the fine line reduction. But in general, the formulation is not stabilized for the dry skin type. I did not like how they have formulated it. And the funniest part is that they sell it saying that it has been formulated and clinically proven by dermatologists. I don't understand, like, how can dermatologists even approve this for a dry skin type? And this is just, inviting more dryness to your skin. And I'm not happy about this idea that they are selling for 30 ml of product for $39.99 US, which is very expensive for 30 ml of product. And then for 50 ml of product, we are paying $53.99 US. I think it's just waste of money. In my opinion, you can rather, if you're in India, you can go to Minimalist brand. You can check out their different serums for the dry skin type, and they do make really good formulation. But if you are not in India and you want something alternative, then you can buy the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. That is excellent formulation, and it also has ceramides now into their formulation. So this will be a good choice if you really want to buy some hyaluronic serum with benefits on the skin. But don't buy this La Roche Posay. I don't like it, but there will be some viewers out there who will come to me and say that, oh no, it works well for me. I understand that it works well for you, but the formulation is not right. You might not see the results right now, what it can do to your skin. Using it for a longer time, I think you will see the results, and then you will know that what can perfume and denatured alcohol can actually do to your skin. But this serum, I'm not a big fan of, and I don't approve this serum for anyone out there, especially not for the dry skin type, nor even for the normal to dry, or else for the combination skin type. This is just not well formulated. So yeah, that was pretty much the conclusion of this serum formulation. I think if you really want to purchase something, I have mentioned the alternative, and I think they will do better job than buying this serum in general. And I do believe that if you have dry skin type, you need to add ceramides into your skincare routine, and that will work really well for you. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I will be making more videos related to La Roche-Posay serums. So stay tuned and be subscribed, because I'm gonna be coming up with more and more La Roche-Posay formulations, and I'm going to be explaining you how does the formulation work. So I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.